वास्को रेल्वे स्टेशनाचेर आयतारा एके महिला प्रवासीचो जीव वता वता वाचलो। रेल्वे चुकता म्हूण धावत येवन रेल्वे धरपाच्या यत्नात आसतना ती महिला रेल्वेच्या डब्याक आपटून ट्रॅकान पडली। मात सुदैवान तिका वाचोवपाक रेल्वे पुलिसांक येस आयले। त्या महिलेचो एक पाय फ्रॅक्चर जाला। आरडीएस खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
When the Vasco Golam passenger was leaving around 5:30, a lady from outside, she was seen running into the platform, and she tried to board the train. In fact, I think meanwhile everybody who are standing there has shouted that you are asking her not to board the train. But in spite of that, she has tried to board the train. She lost the grip. She has fallen down actually, and when she was about to fall down to the track, one of our employees, Mr. Sandosh Thoraskar, quickly reacted and pulled her out from the track. She would have fallen down actually almost 50% of she has fallen to the track. They grabbed her, pulled her out, and in fact he has saved her life.
धांवन येवपाक लागली आमी ताका सांगलेलें धांव नाका म्हणून आमचे जीआरपी स्टाफ कोण आशिल्ले तेंच्यांनी बी ताका सांगलेलें धांव नाका म्हणून पण ती आयकूंक ना डायरेक्ट येयली आनी ट्रेनीन जाम मारली तेणी आनी तितल्यान हांव थंयच उबो आशिल्लो आनी तिका ऑलरेडी हाफ बॉडी तेची भितर गेल्ली आनी तिका काडली आनी ओडून भायर काडली कळ्ळें आनी मागीर ती मातशें पांय तिचो फ्रॅक्चर जालो मागीर ती म्हणपाक लागली रडपाक लागली आनी मागीर आमी ताका भितर काडून ते कोण तेजे कलिग्स आसले तेंच्यांनी व्हेली ती एक्चुली सावड्याची दिसता पळय त्या खातीर